Hello everyone, we are in Dahlem right now. It's the rich neighborhood of Berlin. Honestly, I kind of feel not sexy at all today, but I was like, fuck it, we just have to film, keep the grind on going, you know? So basically what we're looking here for today is chicken wings. So I will give you the best buffalo wings recipe a la Cirkin. Here you have German speciality. It's beautiful pork, everything is fucking pork. I don't know why they still keep on doing this, and you're so close, aren't you? Okay, but anyways, let's just find those wings, and we'll need to get a hot sauce. So we came to the sauces section here. We only have, unfortunately, you can film where I'm pointing at. Okay, we just unfortunately have Tabasco. I'm not a big fan of Tabasco because there's too much
I don't know the word.
I don't even fucking know the Turkish and German word at the moment, but we just have to cope with this at this moment. So because like we have no choice. Additionally, we can just get like powdered pepper. That's better. All right, what we need right now is the chicken. We finally found our chicken, and let's roll. So here another day in Dahlem. It's the hood of Sophia. And another day with Sophia in her car. We got Shani in the back. There she is.
Hello.
And so yeah, basically, I have nothing to say, honestly. Hello everyone. Welcome to my kitchen. Cooking with Cirkin Oscar tonight. Hi. Today our recipe is the butter and no, not the butter. Wait. Today's recipe is really easy again. It's a very popular American dish. It's coming from Buffalo, the New York area in the north, close to Canada, and it's buffalo white wings. But today we're just gonna do it with a little trick to it. We're gonna bake it in the oven because it's healthier, since wings are really high calorie nutrition. And there we have Shani already crying by cutting the onions. But okay, so basically we're starting with 1 tablespoon of flour. We're getting a cup, and into that mixture we're adding salt, pepper, and garlic powder. So now we're gonna add on half a tablespoon of pepper, but a spicy one. Actually, we also need chili peppers, but unfortunately, Sophia fucked it up. Actually, fuck it, I'm natural talent, so I'm just gonna pour a little bit in there. Okay, so now we're going over to get some chicken. So, as you guys can see, I already added the chickens into the bowl. Now I'm just kind of mixing them well. Wait, I gotta do this. So you're getting the powder in your hand, and you're doing, you know, only that way it's gonna taste good. Kind of putting the mixture all in together, like we're letting our flour mixture with the onions, like with the powder, garlic powder and everything. We're letting it sink in. Fuck, I don't know what's wrong with my English today. I'm like not in the mood to do. Oh, we need black pepper. So now we got the black pepper. And just, what are you doing here, girl? So a little bit of garlic pepper. Oh, there you go. And now we keep on mixing. And after this process is done, I'm just gonna leave this part in the fridge for an hour, so it sticks really well to the chicken. Next step, it's been almost an hour in there. We're just like 10 minutes and to go. And here we have the butter. Let's just use a half of butter because we have half a kilo of chicken wings, and that's like the most thing that makes. Yeah, I'm done with my life. I'm quitting. Here we are. We're just letting the butter melt in there for a while. And we're coming to the Tabasco sauce. We're just gonna use like maybe 3 tablespoons. And we want it really spicy, you know, so people are gonna enjoy this a lot.
3 hours later.
You know, I can already smell the Tabasco, and This is exactly not what I want because there's too much sirke in it. What is that thing called that you use, Sophia?
What?
The thing you call. So what we're gonna do here is we're just gonna preheat the oven to 200 degrees, which makes it to 400 Fahrenheit, something like that, 435 I guess. We're just gonna let it wait here for 5 minutes and we almost are done with the wings in the fridge. There's 5 minutes left, so we're perfectly timing. Now the time has come, 1 hour later, our chicken is ready. The wings are perfectly fine. Next step is gonna be, we're just gonna put these wings on a metal plate and let them cook. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna get a baking sheet, put it on top of the metal plate, and then place the wings on top of them. Have a nice distance to each other. So this is how I film them. Usually you want your drums and you want your flats separately, but we just had to kind of freestyle a little on this one. Yeah, now, Sophia, can you please open the oven for me? No, you gotta let those women work, right? Okay, I'm gonna cut that out. So, come here. Look at that. We're gonna put it on the lower half of the oven and let it wait and cook for 40 minutes. Okay, one thing we actually missed out. I was thinking about, lying to you guys and editing it falsely, but that's just not how I am. So I'm just gonna tell you the truth. I forgot to marinate sauce and put the sauce on top of the wings before putting it into the oven. The whole meaning behind this is because before putting it into the oven, all of the spices and everything is gonna melt into that wing, so it's gonna taste amazing. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna use a brush here. And I already did heat up the hot sauce a little. As you guys can see, there's already a little bit of pieces of garlic in there just to add some taste. And here I am, basically just like an art class, just putting it a little bit on top of it. Since it's like really concentrated, you don't really have to put that much in there. Multitasking here, she's doing shakshuka, which is like a typical Turkish traditional dish.
No, it's Middle Eastern.
But the name is...
He's a liar, don't believe him.
Israeli, I guess.
Shut up.
But, let's see if it's still hot. No, it's not. So, here we are. We can now put it into the oven. This time, for real. And let it wait in there for 40 minutes. Thank you very much. 40 minutes later, the results. Take a look at that. So we can still see it sizzling and shit. And the good thing about the wing is you can see the crust. So it's gonna be crispy, even though we did baked it. So, and then you can see the hot sauce basically just melting into the wing. We will just try it. I'm curious. It's the first time I actually tried it this way because many of the utensils that I was searching for were missing. But we had a cool kitchen, so that's how it compensates.